So I found this easy way to create automatic subtitle without even installing any third-party software. So the first step is we can go to the deliver page and we can select audio only. Now if you go to the audio, we can change the format to wave. If you have a multiple tracks, if you have your audio in track number 2, then we can change this to all track and we can change the track name to number 2. But I have only one track and this track name is audio 1, so I'm going to select bus. Now let's add this to render queue and we can render this audio. Now open the browser and search for runwayml.com. Once you log in, we have 3 projects. So I'm going to create a new project, go to the video composition, and now I'm going to click here, upload, and now we have to upload the audio. So this way we won't have to wait for an hour for a video to upload, so we can only upload the audio. Now I'm going to drag my audio in timeline, and now we can select the audio and we can go to the subtitle and we can select language and we can start, and now it will automatically create a subtitle for this audio. Now we have these subtitles, we can select the audio, go to the subtitle, and we can copy this subtitle. We can go to DaVinci Resolve, go to the titles, and if you scroll down we have subtitles. So I'm going to drag this subtitle in timeline, select the subtitle, I'm going to paste my subtitle. Now if you go to the track, we can change the color of the subtitle, we can add a shadow, and we can add a background. Now we can trim the subtitle, we can go to the audio waveform, we can select this subtitle, click on this add new, it will add a subtitle right here. We can copy the second one, paste that subtitle right here. And now as you can see, my name is Faizan and in this video, so I'm going to cut, I'm going to show, press Ctrl X. Now we can select the subtitle, we can click on this add new, it will add that subtitle right here. We can paste this, let's copy this and we can paste that subtitle right here. How we can, and now from add captioning, let's press Ctrl X to cut. Let's cut this. So now as you can see guys, we are done. So now if I type these subtitle manually, it will take me 10 to 15 minutes, but now it will take me 3 to 5 minutes to add this subtitle. So this is an easy way to add caption to a video using DaVinci Resolve.